Hi there, students. An oracle, a countable noun. I guess you could have an adjective oracular as well, but I think it's pretty unusual. Let's see, nowadays we use this phrase, an oracle, to talk about somebody who knows a lot about a subject. Somebody who it looks like they can predict the future. They know what's going to happen. They have almost infallible authority about this. So a nice little trivia question for you. Who is the Oracle of Omaha? Yeah, there's somebody whose nickname is the Oracle of Omaha. Who is that? Okay, so an oracle, a person who seems to know what's going to happen in the future. Yeah, an oracle it comes from way back. Is a person who has the power of insight and gives advice and counsel to people, and they seem to know the future. They seem to have the power of precognition. Yeah, they have a prescience about what is going to happen. Yeah, so for example, the Oracle of Delphi from ancient Greek times. Yeah, this is somebody who used to give advice to the questions of people and kings, and people used to go there. But very often they were, it was not clear what they meant. Okay, so an oracle, somebody who's very wise, who's very authoritative, who's regarded very highly, somebody who knows what's going on. Yeah, I wish we had some politicians who we could consider as oracles. Yeah, so like a prophet, a sage, a clairvoyant. Yeah, but in modern usage, an authority, an expert. Yeah, he's an oracle on all matters to do with the environment. Okay, so this is somebody who's very highly regarded. Yeah, somebody who is very professional. Yeah, who is a pundit or an advisor. Yeah, so an oracle, somebody who gives advice about a subject, somebody who can give you very good advice. So, for example, this doctor is considered an oracle when it comes to eating disorders, for example. Okay, so an oracle. Also, an oracle can be a prediction that people believe is infallible. It can't be wrong. Yeah, people used to go and see the Oracle of Apollo at Delphi to get advice, from the gods. Yeah. So I guess our leaders try to be oracles, but they're not really very good at it. Yeah, to consult the oracle. Yeah, to maybe ask the bones or ask the fates what's actually going to happen. Okay, formality. He's an oracle, the Oracle of Omaha. I think I'm going to give it a 5 in formality. I think you could use it anywhere. And this comes from the Latin word oraculum. Yeah, from the verb oro, to beg or to pray. Yeah, okay, so yeah, from Latin, oraculum, a divine announcement, something that the gods have told us is going to happen. So, the answer to my trivia question, the Oracle of Omaha is Warren Buffett, who all the investments he makes seem to turn to gold. He seems to know what companies to invest in and where, and that's why they call him the Oracle of Omaha. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Oracle.